Visionary is an application created to help the visually challenged people. It provides them with a self-supportive and independent lifestyle. It is all voice controlled. It guides them with day-to-day tasks as well as providing help in times of emergency. It has several features like navigation, text recognition, object recognition without having to click any photographs, an SOS service which sends emergency message to the selected contacts of the user. The navigation system uses object recognition to make their movement to the destination more easy.
Visually impaired people face problems and challenges in their day to day life. They always seek help or assistance from the others, which give them a feeling of discourage or helplessness. So, our application provide visual assistance by offering some features like SOS, object recognition, text recognition, and navigation. Although these features are available in the present scenario, but they are not easily accessible by the user. So our application caters all these features at a one place and in a most easy and helpful way possible. As can be seen in the navigation feature of our application, which helps to navigate from one place to another in terms of degree angles, and also have an vibration attribute which let the user know that he is going in the wrong direction. And as a blind person not able to know the object in front of him, so we combine the navigation with the object recognition and text recognition, which enhances the movement. And our application also works on the voice control, which help the user to access the feature easily or ease the operation of the application.
Before getting started with working of the app, there are certain prerequisites your device should own. First and foremost being, your device should be connected to internet. Secondly, it should have at least two back cameras for implementing augmented reality. Third one is actually a step that you need to follow. You will have to allow permissions, without which app would not be able to provide guaranteed services. Last but not the least, you need to add emergency contacts as favorites in your device. He's done. We are good to go. Let's dive into the demonstration of the app. Okay, Google. Open Visionary.
Opening Visionary. Welcome to Visionary. Are you interested in taking a tour of this app?
Yes.
This app has been designed to assist you. It consists of the four features. 1. Navigation system. Device vibrates until you get back to the correct path and notifies to proceed in which direction and by what angle. 2. Object detection. Detects nearby objects and names them. 3. SOS. It sends SMS to your favorite contacts and plays alarm. 4. Text recognition. It recognizes text and reads it out. Now that you've understood what it does, let me quickly walk you through how to activate these features. 1. Swipe down to activate navigation system. 2. Swipe right to detect objects. 3. Swipe up 8 times in a row to activate SOS. 4. Swipe left to recognize text. Also, you can ask your family members to keep a track of you via using another app tracker. Seems pretty easy, right? Let's dive in.
Let's try the first feature of this app, navigation system.
Navigator activated. Where do you want to go?
Bennett University.
Turn right by 212 degrees. Turn left by 71 degrees. Turn left by 41 degrees. Walk straight by 39 meters. Walk straight by 31.
You see, the device has stopped vibrating and it wants me to proceed in this very direction for next 39 meters. After covering the distance of 39 meters, the device starts to vibrate again until I'm back on the correct path. Now, this procedure follows until the final destination has been reached. It was not practically possible for me to demonstrate the navigation system of this app because since it's 2020 pandemic and all of us are bound to stay at our homes. The next feature of this app, object detection. I've got some stuff here. Let's see if it can identify them.
Object recognizer activated. Wall. Wall. Paper. Phone. Mobile phone. Paper. Sky. Metal. Hand. Hand. Metal hand. Metal hand. Nail hand. Nail hand. Nail skin hand. Nail skin hand.
Let's try the third feature of the app, text recognition.
Text reader activated. Detected text when debugging of assistance corrective code experts remove defective code. Detected text when debugging of assistance corrective code experts remove defective code. Detected text a programmer is a person WH0 fix a problem that you not know you have in a way you don't understand. Detected text a programmer is a person who fix a problem that you not know you have in a way you don't understand. Detected text Java is not platform independent. It is a platform. Detected text Java is not platform independent. It is a platform.
In case of emergency, the user has to swipe upwards 8 times. This will activate the SOS emergency alert. The condition is that the time between 2 consecutive swipes should not exceed 2 seconds, else the SOS will get deactivated.
7 to go, 6 to go, 5 to go, 4 to go, 3 to go, 2 to go, 1 to go.
After 8 swipes, a message seeking help will be sent to 5 favorite contacts and an alarm on full volume will be heard to attract the people nearby.
For tracking and sharing location of the user, we need to turn on the server first. Now that the server is running, you can see it shows blind users as 0 and so are the number of trackers, which signifies none of the apps are being used at the moment. As soon as I open these apps, they get connected to the server and server refreshes the number of connected devices to its dashboard. Now for security purposes, only contacts added as favorites can access the location of the visionary user.
Let me brief you on the tech used in this app. The entire Android app has been coded in Java. Navigation system. The very first feature of this app requires A. Mapbox direction API for finding routes. B. Navigation IQ geocoding API for finding the coordinates of the destination. Then comes object detection and text recognition. Now, these features could not be implemented without on-device Firebase enablement. Then there was AR code, augmented reality, used for distance measurement. Also, in the app Visionary Tracker, we have used Google Maps and socket programming in Java for sharing locations.
Now, after completion of the project, further future scope was pondered upon and a few points were discussed, like few features could be added to object and text recognition, and recognition speed could be enhanced. Navigation can be more precise and speech recognition can be added to SOS